Well, wrapping up, our talk today is celebrating all herbalists, including all individuals and their unique journeys. And we were wondering if you had a special herbal recipe that you would like to share with our community that might represent self-love, or perhaps a fun herbal concoction that might serve as a celebratory cheers.
I would say the herb blend that I go to more often than any other is so simple. And it kind of makes every evening a celebration because it's just a relaxing, beautiful flavored herb blend. And that is simply equal parts of chamomile, lavender flower, and mint. Or you
Oh,
can do whatever proportions you like. And then just steep it as a gentle evening tea. Don't drink it too close to bed because you'll have to get up and pee. But, in the couple of hours before bed, it's lovely to sip plain or with a little honey if you like honey. But yeah, I have so many herbal recipes over at my website that folks can access.
yeah, thank you. We'll
You're
definitely.
so welcome.